So, anartha, we should not create in the society anarthas, unwanted disturbances. The unwanted disturbance is illicit sex and meat eating. Meat eating, why one should eat meat? No animal food stuff. Krishna has given so many nice things produced. Krishna says in the Bhagavad Gita, Anna bhavanti bhutani. Krishna never says, Mangshat bhavanti, Matsat bhavanti. Never says. Anna. Anna means food grain. Produce sufficient food grain. So, in the village side you go, hundreds and thousands of acres of land is lying vacant. Nobody is interested. Now they are interested in opening slaughter. Kill the poor animals and eat. They don't produce food. The whole world is just now is going on. I have traveled over many countries, all over the world. In Africa, there are so much vacant land. In Australia, there is so much vacant land. But nobody is producing food grain. They have kept some cattle, these cows. They are automatically maintained, there is grass. And when they are fatty, take them and send to the slaughterhouse and eat. But the land is lying vacant.